Matootie Tales. Matootie Tales. Matootie Tales.
Hi, I'm Bella. I'm Katie. And I'm Hallie. Welcome to Matootie Tales. Today we are going to talk how it's okay to cry. Wow! Crying. Don't say that. Ask, are you okay? Whenever someone cries, we should always ask if they are okay. We cry for a reason. And sometimes people just want to be heard or might be in pain. Did you know, according to healthline.com, crying for long periods of time releases oxytocin and endogenous opioids, otherwise known as endorphins. These feel-good chemicals can help ease both physical and emotional pain. Once the endorphins are released, your body may go into somewhat of a numb stage. Oxytocin can give you a sense of calm or well-being. So what does that mean? Basically, crying helps you feel better. Today's book is called It's Okay to Cry. And this is written by my mom. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe to our channel and feel free to give it a thumbs up. 1. Action. My mom says it's okay to cry. I'm not a baby. Only babies cry. It's okay to cry. Some kids do mean things because they might be hurt too. I don't know what you're talking about. Want to come over after school and play basketball? I can come over. I finished all my homework anyway. But you don't even know how to play. That's okay. You can teach me. No, it's okay. I'll just ask them another time. Emma walks home, crying. What's wrong, Emma? There's a boy in our school that I've been trying to be nice to. I think he doesn't like me because he doesn't listen to me. I'm sorry, Emma. Sometimes kids, or even adults, don't know how to act when someone does something nice for them. It's not you. It's okay to cry. Come here, babe. It's okay. It's okay. William sees Emma from a distance, and it appears she's upset. Hi, Emma. I'm sorry if I wasn't very nice to you yesterday. You were being really nice to me, and I was too focused on getting the other kids' attention. All I wanted was to play with someone, and I should have let you come over yesterday. Can we still be friends? It's okay to cry.
Yay!
Yay! Finally, we finished!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I'm sorry, Emma. Sometimes kids, or even...
Again.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Some kid time.
Yeah. Okay, come on, hurry up!
Well, go back.
Welcome to Matootie
What?
Tales.
That's not the first one, is it? It's hi, I'm Bella.
I'm sorry, Emma. We cry for a reason, and sometimes people just want to be... Did you know, according to healthline.com, opioids, otherwise known as endorphins, these feel... 3. I am not a baby, only babies cry. She is not a baby, but she can cry. We are not babies, but we can cry. We are not babies, so we can't cry. But she is a baby. She can't cry.